mentioned some modal verbs so far. There are more modal verbs we can use in English to express obligation or lack of obligation in the present and obligation in the past. In addition, we can use the modal verb must to express obligation as well, but there is a slight difference. When we use have to, the obligation has external influence. This means that someone else needs us to do something, that we have to follow some kind of a rule. We have to wear uniforms to work. In case of must, the obligation is self-imposed. I must stop smoking. Or, if we want to make a negative statement, we just add not to must. We mustn't eat junk food.